Tax-exempt B2B orders that still get charged tax create messy disputes. Ask Sidekick to catch the mismatch before fulfillment. Sidekick drafts a flow that checks the tax-exempt tag, flags tax on the order, and emails your finance team. Open the draft in Shopify Flow and walk through each step. It starts when an order is created. No extra trigger setup is required. The first condition checks that the customer is tagged tax-exempt. The second condition checks that tax on the order is greater than 0. On the true path, Flow tags the order tax check needed. Then it emails finance with order details and a link. Swap in your real finance email first. Review the workflow, then turn it on. Confirm in the Modal to activate the automation. Once active, tax-exempt orders with tax applied get tagged, and finance gets an alert before fulfillment.